Welcome back. BJP has strongly criticized the state government for doubling airport tender mess. The party says that government can't keep its assurances. BJP is worried that doubling airport expansion project will meet the same fate as that of MOPA. The issue on MOPA and doubling airport seems no end. On Thursday, General Secretary of BJP Govind Parvatkar, Mandru MLA Lakshmikant Parsekar and Perne MLA Dayanand Sopte in a press briefing alleged that the assurances by Kamath government were a mere lip service. Party says that the recent issue of tender lapse for Daboli airport expansion is a typical example of government's lethargic attitude.
रिटेंडर करता हाचोच अर्थ तो स्क्रॅप जाला किंवा लॅप्स जाला म्हयन्याभरात सुरू करप म्हणून जे आश्वासन दिता हे निव्वळ फटिंगपणा आसा. 2008च्या फेब्रुवारीत जो जनतेकडे फटिंगपणा केलो तोच फटिंगपणा सरकार आज पुन्हा एकदा करता. याचे दुःख दिसता.
Lakshmikant Parsekar also asked the government to bring forth the truth behind the Daboli airport expansion and MOPA airport. Party says that the government should stop fooling Aam Aadmi.
आणि प्रत्यक्षात दाबोळीच्या बाबतीत दाबोळी विमानतळच्या बाबतीत कितें जालां हे जनतेसमोर सत्य आणचें.
They further informed that some 3 years back, Centre had specified that 34 non-metro airports had to be upgraded and Daboli Airport was one of them.
34तले 33 एअरपोर्ट नॉन मेट्रो एअरपोर्ट इम्प्रूव जाले, अपग्रेड जाले. एकमेव दाबोळी एअरपोर्ट हो ह्या देशांतलो इम्प्रूव जावंक शकलो ना. ही ह्या सरकारची नामुष्की आसा, अत्यंत हलगर्जीपणा आसा.
Our reporter in Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Shan. Every year, numerous cases of child abuse are reported around the country, but many more go unreported due to our closed culture. On the occasion of World Day for the Prevention of Child Abuse, one NGO is making the effort to abolish this form of social problem.
Children are considered as one of God's wonderful creations, but due to their innocence, they fall prey to unsuspecting abusers. And these abusers are none other than people in the form of close friends and relatives of the child. On the occasion of World Day for the Prevention of Child Abuse, El Shaddai Charitable Trust is taking the lead to address this form of exploitation. As part of their awareness, hundreds of children participated in a rally held in Panaji. Co-founder of El Shaddai, Matthew Korean, admitted it is a serious problem that needs urgent attention.
When you talk about the child abuse, a global phenomena, globally 1 out of every 5 child is sexually or emotionally or physically abused. In India, because we have a very close culture, we try to cover up these things, we try to hide in the name of shame. Even parents, when their child is abused by uncle or auntie or some stranger, they don't talk about it because they are frightened of the shame that can bring for the child.
Anita Edgar, who co-founded the trust, stressed that the issue requires a concerted effort by everyone.
I think we have to give more education to the people, to the general public, that children have a right. They don't ask to be born. They have a right to live. They have a right to be themselves and not to be abused, taking advantage of these little souls.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Anil Sanadhi for Prudent Media.
NCP's North Goa Youth Wing demanded that Ravindra Bhavan be constructed on the proposed site at Mapsa. They have also asked the government to revert the AVQ land of Morji back to Goans. The Nationalist Youth Congress officials at a press briefing demanded that the present Mapsa Comunidad Committee should be scrapped.
ही जी आता नियोजित रवींद्र भवनाची जागा आसा ते जागो विकपा खातीर कितको गोड गंपल जाल्लो आसा आनी तेका कारणीभूत कोमनीदादूच आसा. हे जे कितें चल्लां ते आमी आमचो रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टराक एक मेमोरंडम दितले की हे बेगिना बेगीन हेतून लक्ष घालपाचो आनी जाता बेगिना हो जो कोमनीदाद आहा तेका स्क्रॅप करचो. ही एट प्रेझंट कमिटी आसा ती स्क्रॅप करची आनी तेजेर एक एक्शन एक लिगल हे कमिटी बसोवपाची आनी तांकां लिगली तेंचेर हे कारवाई करपाची ही आमी मागणी करता.
They also demanded that the land in the AVQ property at Morji be handed over back to Goans.
त्या खातीर मोरजे गांवांत एक तेमी वाड्यार थंयसर आमी एक नांगर सुद्दां घातलेलो आसा आनी तेची आयज 12.61 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जी फॉरेनरा कडेन जी जमीन आसा ती आजून पासून आमकां मेळोंक ना. त्या खातीर सरकार गोंया सरकारान हाचेर खरोखरच आनी 40 आमदारांनी हाचेर खरोखर विशय हो घेवंक जाय.
A reporter at Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar has decided to turn veg. Parrikar expressed his intentions at the inauguration of Peace March by SAK at Gymkhana in the capital here on Wednesday.
The only way to world peace, stop all killing. A peace march was organized by SAK at Panji Gymkhana ground. Various other organizations from all over the state were the part of this rally. This march was to give out message of peace. This rally was inaugurated in presence of Srinivas Dempo, GCCI Chairman Cesar Menezes, Director of Sports Authority Dr. Susana D'Souza, Opposition Leader Manohar Parrikar and others. Though this rally gave out a message of peace, it has also changed food habit of Manohar Parrikar. He has now decided to turn into vegetarian. Disney characters in rally was the main attraction. School children, college students and members of other various organizations took part in the rally. This rally was carried from Gymkhana ground to Azad Maidan. Looks like Dr. Susana D'Souza was remembering her childhood day after looking at the Disney character. This also suggests that animals are not our enemies but our friends. So, stop all killing. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Shan for Prudent Media.
Let's have a look at the other events in the state.
56th All India Cooperative Week was celebrated at Ponda. Two schemes, VPK Silver Jubilee Fixed Deposit and Silver Jubilee Recurring Deposit, was launched on the occasion. Marketing Federation Chairman Narayan Naik, Member Secretary of Kala Academy Pandurang Fardesai, Chairman of VPK Band Surya Gowri and others were present for the function. Cookery competition was held at Bicholi on the occasion of 56th All India Cooperative Week. This competition was organized by Bardes Bazar Bicholi. Various mouth-watering dishes were kept for display. Chairman Dharma Chodankar, Vice Chairman Mahadev Natekar, Director Nirmala Khalab, Director Gurudas Savar, Bicholi MLA Rajesh Patnekar and others were present. School material were donated to Menkure Government High School in memory of late senior journalist Jagdish Wagh. Retired teacher Madhukar Naik was felicitated on the occasion. Sarpanch Nakul Naik, Headmaster Madhav Joshi, Satyavan Naik, Vishram Gad and others were present at the function. A fancy dress competition was also held for the school children. Contrary to beliefs, the roots of Christianity in Goa can be traced back much before the Portuguese arrived in Goa. This is the focal point of a new book written by Father Cosme Costa. Father Costa, in his book titled Apostolic Christianity in Goa and the West Coast, provides new evidence to this theory. It took 3 years for Father Costa's book to materialize. His research primarily aims at providing new evidence of Christianity being prevalent much before the Portuguese arrived in Goa. This is Father Costa's 5th book. Father Costa's research started off with the discovery of an ancient cross on the banks of Zuari River at Agasai. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time for yet another short break. Stay tuned for more news from sports.